Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Auto Watch Ghost 2 to an Audi Q5 2011. Customer was worried about his car getting stolen due to his neighbour's 2 cars getting stolen next door due to key cloning. So how this product works is every time you get in the vehicle now, you turn on the ignition, insert a push sequence. On this one we use the hill descent button 4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine light will flash twice till the code's correct. Put your foot on the brake, start the vehicle. Straightforward. Also has the facility to put in valet mode, which means you don't have to disclose the code when you take it for a service or a car wash. And the way you do that is very similar. So ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine light will flash twice. And now you hit the aircon button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Engine light flash 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now in valet mode, which means you can start the vehicle as many times as you want without disclosing the code. Also on this product, you can do a PIN code change in case someone sees the code. This is also straightforward. So the way you do this, you turn on the ignition, get into learn mode by hitting the original code in, which gives you access. 2, 3, 4. Engine light will flash twice. This time you put your foot down on the accelerator, insert the original code again. Engine light will start to flash. When it starts to flash, let go of the accelerator and insert a new code. So on this one here, we're now going to use the traction control 4 times. Every time we push it, the engine light will flash to say we can use this button. Once we've inserted it and paused, it will give me 3 flashes to confirm it's accepted the code. Then repeat the same code again, give me 2 flashes and it will stop. So we'll do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 3 flashes. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. Code is now learnt. Ignition off, and let's try it. So now, ignition on. Hit the traction control button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engine light will flash twice. Code is correct. Start the vehicle. Hope you found this video very helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.